Guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix airplane mode not turning off on Windows 11 and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to click here over here in the search and you have to search for services. Now you just have to click on run as administrator and you just have to go for following, and from here what you have to do is just have to search for radio management services. Keep scrolling and over here we have radio management services. Okay, this one, right? So you just have to right click on this and you have to go to you just have to open this. Okay, now from here as you can see that this has been manual, you have to change this to automatic and you have to go for apply and you have to go for OK. Once it is done, you just have to close this and you have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is you have to click over here and you have to search for device manager and you have to open this. Now from here what you have to do is just have to click on network adapters and you have to select the respective one. Okay, you have to select the respective one and you have to right click on this and you have to go for properties. Over here in the power management you have to untick all these and just have to go for OK. Now you just have to close this. And now after trying both the two steps, you just have to do a normal restart and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this series is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.